This 2025 Forest River Riverstone Legacy 442 megacoulombs is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 44 feet 4 inches in length and features a cocoa bean wood W, RIPPLEBROOK furniture interior, sleeps 6, awning, microwave, skylight, external shower, TV, refrigerator, air conditioning, water heater, oven, auxiliary battery, and 79 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Riverstone Legacy 442 megacoulombs is 18,883 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.